A whirlwind of city life. Unpaid bills cascade like waterfalls of debt. Credit cards are declined, each swipe echoing with disappointment. Arguments ignite, brief and intense, mirroring the hidden tensions of the city. A narrator's voice cuts through the urban chaos. What if your struggles with money weren't about money at all? The city pulses with unspoken financial anxiety. A silent, pervasive struggle. Sunlight floods the modern workshop, illuminating a banner that promises transformation. Ava, though professionally dressed, is visibly stressed as she navigates her banking app. Nearby, Leo's laid-back appearance belies his anxiety, betrayed by his nervous habit. V.O. Narrator. Meet Ava and Leo. Different lives. Same problem. Money chaos. V.O. Narrator. But today, everything is about to change. In a sun-drenched workshop, Maya greets the participants with infectious enthusiasm. Welcome, everyone. Today isn't just about numbers. It's about you. Your money personality shapes every financial decision you make. Participants exchange curious glances, intrigued by Maya's words. Maya, radiating warmth, stands before the eager participants. She distributes cards, each revealing a key to financial identity. The saver, the spender, the avoider, the risk taker. Let's begin by discovering your dominant money personality. Be honest, no right or wrong answers. The room buzzes with anticipation as participants dive into the quiz, their faces lit by the screen's inviting glow. In the workshop, a large screen displays the assessment results of Ava and Leo. Ava's eyes narrow, her thoughts echoing. Controller? That sounds rigid. Surprise and slight offense flicker across Ava's face as she processes her assessment. Leo's grin stretches wide, a hint of nervousness betraying his bravado. Leo shrugs, declaring, "Optimist? I just don't like limits." Despite his confident words, a flicker of doubt dances behind Leo's eyes. Maya stands in the workshop, her hands dancing in the air as she delves into the subtle distinctions of each money type. With a knowing glance, Maya reveals the secret to empowerment. Every money type has strengths and blind spots, she continues, emphasizing the transformative potential within. Your power lies in transforming your shadow into a strength. The room feels charged with possibility as Maya's words hang in the air, inviting transformation. The workshop room buzzes as participants split into smaller groups. Ava and Leo find themselves face to face, an unspoken connection forming between them. Maya's image flickers on the large screen, her voice filling the room with guidance. Share your money story. Discuss how your personality type has shaped it, Maya instructs, setting the stage for intimate revelations. Ava hesitantly reveals, "I save obsessively. I can't relax." Ava continues, confessing, "I miss out on life because I'm always afraid I'll lose everything." In the workshop, Leo nods, a nervous laugh escaping his lips, revealing a shared moment. Leo confesses with a chuckle, "I'm the opposite. I believe money will somehow show up. I've ignored debt for years. It's catching up." Ava responds, her expression thoughtful. "We're both trapped by fear, just different kinds." A pause fills the room, the weight of their shared confessions hanging in the air. Their eyes meet, a silent acknowledgement of their intertwined struggles. In the workshop, Maya dims the lights, casting the room into a soft, inviting glow. Maya's voice fills the room with gentle encouragement. Close your eyes. Imagine your future self, who has mastered their money personality. In Ava's mind's eye, her future self glows with happiness and balance, effortlessly managing life's pleasures and investments. Leo envisions himself as a beacon of confidence, navigating his finances with a newfound sense of control. In the quiet workshop, Ava and Leo sit in serene stillness, eyes closed in deep meditation. A voice echoes, questioning from beyond. What wisdom does your future self want you to know? A voice, like a whisper from tomorrow, advises Ava, trust yourself. Security is built through balance, not control. Another voice, resonant with future strength, guides Leo. Freedom comes from discipline. Confidence grows with clarity. Slowly, they open their eyes, faces reflecting the profound impact of the journey within. Maya stands at the head of a long table, a warm smile lighting her face. Workbooks are stacked neatly in front of her, ready for the attendees. With open arms, Maya addresses the group. "All right, everyone, please take a workbook." Her encouraging tone fills the room as she continues. "We're going to dive right in." Attendees begin to reach for the workbooks, anticipation filling the room. The atmosphere is charged with excitement as the workshop begins. In the workshop, Ava's eyes meet Leo's, a warm smile gracing her lips. Ava comments softly, a hint of admiration in her voice. "Looks like we're both learning to stretch in new ways." Leo looks up, a reflective smile playing on his lips as he responds. Leo replies, a touch of surprise in his tone. "Yeah, who knew balance wasn't boring?" Ava's smile widens, her eyes sparkling with amusement and agreement. They share a moment of mutual understanding and quiet satisfaction. In the workshop room, Maya signals for the group to gather, creating a palpable sense of anticipation. The room buzzes with excitement as Maya reveals the final challenge. "Here's your final challenge. Pair up and become accountability buddies for the next 30 days. A wave of surprise and delight washes over the participants as gasps and laughter ripple through the room. Participants eagerly begin to pair up, their energy infectious. Ava and Leo exchange a knowing glance, silently agreeing to team up. Under the radiant sun, Ava luxuriates in the lively atmosphere of the cafe, a steaming mug warming her hands. Her laughter rings out, a melody of pure, unadulterated joy. She savors each bite of her pastry with obvious delight, treating herself to a moment of simple pleasure. The world fades away as she indulges, every sense heightened by the taste of pure bliss. In this fleeting moment, she is free from all guilt, basking in the warmth of self-indulgence. The cafe buzzes around her, yet she remains cocooned in her private oasis of happiness. In the dim light of his apartment, Leo is absorbed by the glow of his phone, his brow a landscape of intense concentration. His fingers dance across the screen of his phone as he navigates the budgeting app. Tension melts away as he successfully pays down a chunk of debt. A slow smile begins to spread across Leo's face, illuminating it with relief and satisfaction. The apartment seems to breathe a sigh of relief along with him. In the vibrant chaos of a bustling coffee shop, Ava's fingers dance across her phone, her focus absolute. "You got this, Leo." Ava's encouraging words flash across the screen, a digital vote of confidence. Leo, amidst the crush of a crowded subway, finds solace in his phone, his thumbs mirroring Ava's. "Thanks, Ava. You too." Leo's reply lights up his screen, a beacon of mutual support. Ava's gentle reminder appears. "Just remember to breathe." Leo's honest struggle echoes back. "Easier said than done, but I'm trying." Sunlight floods the workshop, casting a golden glow on the array of tools and projects. Dust motes dance in the air, each one a tiny spark in the vast expanse of the room. Tools lie ready, each piece a silent promise of creation and transformation. Half-finished projects stand as testaments to past endeavors, each bearing the marks of dedication and perseverance. A voice echoes, filled with the wisdom of experience. In the end, the real wealth wasn't just money. It was the courage to face themselves and transform together. The room falls silent once more, bathed in the soft light of understanding and acceptance. The workshop room awaits, a beacon of transformation and anticipation. At the room's forefront, the banner declares a countdown. 30 days until the Money Personality Transformation alumni gather again. The banner serves as a reminder of past transformations and a promise of future connections. Sunlight streams through the windows, illuminating the banner and the room with a warm glow. Anticipation lingers in the air, palpable as the date draws nearer for the alumni reunion. The alumni stand ready to reunite, share their journeys, and ignite their financial futures once more. Bathed in the warm glow of morning light, a bustling coffee shop sets the stage for a heartfelt conversation. Ava thoughtfully sips her latte, her brow furrowed as she confesses, "It's just so hard." She reveals her inner struggle. "I see a good deal, and I feel this overwhelming urge to buy it, even if I don't need it. Resisting the urge to oversave is proving to be quite the challenge." Leo nervously stirs his coffee, a sympathetic expression on his face as he responds, "Tell me about it." He admits his own challenges. Sticking to a budget is like trying to herd cats. One minute I'm on track, the next I've blown it all on. Well, you don't even want to know. Under the stark glow of a desk lamp, Leo battles a spreadsheet, his face a canvas of worry. Leo rubs his temples, a sigh escaping his lips as numbers blur before his weary eyes. Leo's fingers dance across his phone, a text message speeding into the digital ether. Ugh, this budget is killing me. I'm drowning in numbers. A moment later, Ava's message pierces through. Hey, I get it. Been there. Break it down. What's eating up the most cash? Leo, buoyed by Ava's practical wisdom, types back with newfound hope. Wow, Ava, you're a genius. Thanks. Sunlight floods Ava's apartment, highlighting a laptop screen filled with daunting financial charts. Ava's anxiety rises. She nervously dials a number. Hey, Leo. Got a minute? Ava asks, her voice laced with hesitation. Leo's calm voice cuts through Ava's panic. Okay, deep breaths. Let's break it down. Just research, Leo suggests, a lifeline in Ava's sea of financial dread. Pick one thing that sounds vaguely interesting. Sunlight filters through the leaves as Ava and Leo amble along a winding path, their animated gestures painting a picture of shared determination. Ava's face lights up with pride as she shares. I actually managed to stick to my budget this week. No impulse buys, no takeout coffees. Leo beams with relief and triumph, exclaiming, That's fantastic, Ava. I finally paid off that credit card I've been chipping away at for ages. Ava's expression softens with gratitude as she reflects. It's so much easier when we're holding each other accountable, isn't it? Leo nods in agreement, his voice filled with appreciation. Absolutely. Knowing you're working towards the same goal keeps me motivated. Plus, it's great to have someone to celebrate the small victories with. Ava laughs, her eyes sparkling with joy as she concludes. I agree. I think our friendship is actually helping us make healthier financial decisions. In the softly lit workshop, Ava and Leo stand among alumni, their faces glowing with fellowship. Ava recounts a triumph. And then, after weeks of relentless coding, the algorithm finally clicked. She continues, her voice filled with excitement. It was like watching a symphony come to life, each line of code harmonizing perfectly. Leo nods in agreement. That's incredible, Ava. It's moments like those that make all the sleepless nights worthwhile. Ava's tone turns encouraging. And that's why we're here tonight, to share those moments, to offer guidance, Leo adds supportively. Don't hesitate to reach out if you're stuck or just need a fresh perspective. We've all been there, and we're here to support each other. In the soft glow of a desk lamp, Ava sits immersed in a sea of financial documents. A faint smile touches Ava's lips as she meticulously reviews each number. The weight of anxiety lifts, replaced by a sense of control and newfound peace. Leaning back in her chair, Ava radiates confidence, a beacon of self-assuredness. Ava's eyes reflect a quiet triumph. I have finally found a balance between saving and enjoying life. Bathed in the soft glow of a desk lamp, Leo triumphantly concludes an online fund transfer. A contented sigh escapes his lips as he marks a significant milestone in settling his debts. A genuine smile graces Leo's face, his eyes crinkling with the joy of accomplishment. He retrieves a box of chocolates, selects his favorite, and savors the sweet reward.